Are you ready for today's sales tip? Hey, it's Tom Jackobs, and I can't wait to share with you a little tidbit today to help you increase your sales conversions and get more clients. So here's today's tip. Have you ever attended a networking event? I know, networking, it seems like a complete bore because everybody's there to sell. Well, that is the biggest mistake people can make when they go to networking events. You have to think about the people that you're networking with as people that can help you get more prospects, not people that you are actually selling to. You're selling through them. And by the way, it's great to meet new people, make new friends, learn about other industries, and create a better network for yourself so that if things change and you need to get a new job, now you have a great professional network that knows, likes, and trusts you and can help you get more prospects, get another job, and save a lot of time and help you be successful. So try that sales tip out. Let me know how it works for you. Drop me a DM. Can't wait to chat with you. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.